First up, viewers, we have some good news from Paris. Manu Bhaker has now entered the finals in the women's 25-meter pistol event. Manu Bhaker scores 590 points in precision and rapid round. She has now entered the final 8 athletes of the 25-meter air pistol. She's among the final 8 athletes in the finals, and she will be aiming for another medal at the Paris Olympics. We have Shane Diaz joining us live from the newsroom. Shane, it's a good day for Manu Bhaker, shooting to the stars. She's entered the final round of 8 athletes. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously a great thing for Manu Bhaker when you consider that at this point she's already won 2 Olympic medals in the same edition of the Olympics. It's the first time it has ever happened for an Indian athlete that 2 medals have been won in the same edition of the Olympics. And now she could potentially go even more unprecedented and add a 3rd medal in different shooting disciplines. This time, of course, in the finals of the 25-meter air pistol event. And it was an assured dominant performance from her. And I think you can, say this is a gut feeling, and it's a very good one, that potentially you could be getting another medal for India's medal tally.
Also, Shane, take us through the journey of Manu Bhaker in the Olympics, because this will be her 3rd medal if she makes it for India.
Absolutely. I mean, see, it's been an absolute redemption year for Manu Bhaker as far as the 2024 Olympics is concerned. Remember, this is the same Manu Bhaker who in 2020 couldn't actually compete for a medal because even though she was there, ended up suffering from a pistol malfunction, was absolutely heartbroken. To have come back from there and worked hard in multiple shooting disciplines, has already won medals, by the way, in 2 of those disciplines, and of course an individual and a team event, now gunning, no pun intended, for a 3rd medal. It would be unprecedented if it happens, but you know what they say about sport, momentum is a wonderful, wonderful thing, and she's had winning momentum going her way recently, and she seems to be carrying that forward. I mean, the confidence is there. We all knew the ability was, but for someone who's 22 years of age, she's been showing composure and mental strength that is remarkable, and it seems that with the kind of form she's been showing, with the momentum she has, the confidence she has, it seems like a medal is very much something that a lot of Indian fans can be looking forward to when the event takes place tomorrow.
Right, Shane, all eyes will be on Manu Bhaker because she is eyeing another medal at Paris Olympics, and we hope that this time it's a gold medal. So let's move on, viewers. A day after the proof of SP link was out in the Ayodhya gang rape case, now Republic TV has also confronted Faizabad MP Avdesh Prasad, I beg your pardon. Let's listen in and watch how he runs away, ducks and dodges Republic TV's straight questions.
अवधेश जी इस वक्त यहाँ पे है। अवधेश जी आपने 2 दिन पहले कहा था कि आपने 2 दिन पहले कहा था कि घटना से अवेयर होंगे कि नहीं। आपने घटना का संज्ञान लिया। समाजवादी पार्टी नेता पर गैंग रेप का आरोप है। समाजवादी पार्टी नेता पर गैंग रेप का आरोप है। कार्रवाई होगी उनके ऊपर, कार्रवाई आपके साथ तस्वीरें हैं, साथ फोटो है। अवधेश जी इस वक्त यहाँ पे है। अवधेश जी आपने 2 दिन पहले कहा था कि आपने 2 दिन पहले कहा था कि घटना से अवेयर होंगे कि नहीं। आपने घटना का संज्ञान लिया। समाजवादी पार्टी नेता पर गैंग रेप का आरोप है। समाजवादी पार्टी नेता पर गैंग रेप का आरोप है। कार्रवाई होगी उनके ऊपर, कार्रवाई आपके साथ तस्वीरें हैं।